How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 65 Oldsmobile Cutlass, done up as a 442. Super nice car. All original panels except for a couple small patches in the trunk. Really nice survivor car. The bumpers have both been re-chromed, front and rear. All the other chrome and stainless on the car is the original. It's all in really good condition. Car's super straight down the sides. Done in the factory white with the blue two-tone interior. It's updated with the newer 442 wheels. This car's got a lot of really cool upgrades on it. This car drives. You get in this car, drive it to Florida, go anywhere you want to go in it. Probably the nicest driving one I've drove in a while. Now the original motor's been replaced. It's got a 455 in it, the aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb, electric choke. It's got the heavy duty aluminum radiator. It's got the factory exhaust manifolds and the duals out the back. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. Also got tubular upper and lower front control arms with a bigger sway bar. Got a 350 turbo trans. Got 10 bolt limited slip rear end, box control arms, a rear sway bar. Super cool car, guys. The dash is all original in this car, in excellent condition. Got the period correct tachometer, really cool. All works. It's got old air conditioning. Original headliner in the car, still looks really good. Door panels are original, seat covers have been replaced. Got a nice retrofit stereo system. You know, direct fit, classic auto sound. It's got your factory spare and your jack. It's just a real clean, nice cruiser driver. Been nicely updated with your front and rear seat belts. I mean, the dash pad, everything in this car is very, very nice. This is just a very solid survivor car. Super nice car, guys. Again, it's been nicely updated with a 455. Just good sounding car. Tell you, this is just to get in it, drive it, go anywhere you want to go, cruise it, enjoy it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.